Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to watch HBO Max on a plane, so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies even while you're in the air. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, we'll walk you through the steps to download content for offline viewing, so you never have to miss a moment. Let's get started. Check your HBO Max subscription first. Ensure you have an active HBO Max subscription. Without it, you won't be able to access any of the content. Open the HBO Max app on your device to confirm you're logged in. Download the HBO Max app if you haven't already. Download the HBO Max app to your smartphone, tablet, or laptop from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you're using a laptop, visit the official website and ensure you're signed into your account. Browse for offline content once you're in the HBO Max app. Browse the library for the content you want to watch. Keep in mind that not all content on HBO Max is available for download. However, most movies, shows, and documentaries should be available. Download movies and shows when you find a movie or show you want to watch. Look for the download icon, usually represented by a downward arrow, next to the title. Tap or click on the download icon to start saving the content to your device. Make sure to download the content before your flight, as you may not have internet access during the download process. Check storage space before downloading. Double-check that your device has enough storage space for the videos. Movies and TV episodes can take up significant space, especially for longer content. Ensure you're set for offline viewing after the download is complete. Go to the Downloads section in the HBO Max app. You can now access your downloaded content even when you're not connected to the internet, including on a plane. Enable airplane mode when your flight begins. Put your device in airplane mode. You don't need an internet connection to watch your downloaded content. Simply open the HBO Max app, navigate to your download section, and start watching. Enjoy your flight entertainment now. You're all set. Enjoy your favorite HBO Max content offline while you're cruising at 30,000 feet. Whether it's a movie marathon or catching up on your favorite series, you'll have a great time. That's it. Watching HBO Max on a plane is super easy as long as you download your content beforehand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel and streaming tips. Safe travels and happy watching.